please like and subscribe to our channel. Leave your questions and feedback in the comments section. Enjoy the video.
It is reported, on the authority of Abu Huraira, may Allah be pleased with him, that he said, a man asked, "O Messenger of Allah, who deserves the best treatment?" The Holy Prophet, peace and blessing be upon him, replied, "Your mother." The man asked, "Then who?" The Holy Prophet, peace and blessing be upon him, answered, "Your mother." The man asked again, "Then who?" The Holy Prophet, peace and blessing be upon him, said, "Your mother." "Then who?" The man asked again. "Your father," replied the Holy Prophet, peace and blessing be upon him. This narration is found in Sahih Muslim, number 6500. It is very important to always be kind and respectful to your family, especially parents. No matter how successful you become, you must always remember, your parents helped and supported you when you had nothing. So do not forget to treat your parents kindly when you become successful. Always try to make your parents happy, as long as you do not do a bad thing, as pleasing Allah, the Exalted, will always come first.